2022 to the moon! I'm Captain Brando, and I'm going to be hosting a live stream every Sunday in January. It is a 4-part series educational Captain Crypto course to teach you about blockchain and tokenomics, wallets, exchanges, NFTs, play to earn, staking, and how to do your own research. This is a course you do not want to miss, so click the link below to get your tickets and learn more about the Captain Crypto course every Sunday in January 2022. Let's take off to the moon together, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Captain Brando, I'm out. Peace.